So we're back at Redlion Smash repairs, Padstow, Davies Road, Australia, Sydney. And that damaged module unit from getting the boat out slid into the fence. Saw probably on a previous video. I'll put the link up if you haven't. So we'll leave the car here. Anyway, so here we go, guys. Hopefully Craig can get the glue going properly and special adhesive. And I'll give you an update tomorrow. See you later. Bye. Oh, roll the intro. No, I won't say bye. Anyway, roll the intro.
'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the land on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are Australia.
Go on.
Right. See this, mate? She's just flopping around like a dick in the dirt, Tim.
Dick in the dirt, Tim.
That's the problem.
It's a good Aussie term, guys. So, Craig's going to glue the module back on, let it sit overnight. So I'm just going to leave the vehicle here. And, so yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's where you scratched it with the paper.
We're going to clean it with the solvent.
Yeah,
then rough it up with the paper on both sides.
Yeah, so
now we'll put the adhesion promoter on.
So acetone sort of clean up the area. And we'll put this on. Excellent. Bit of a clean and shit. I didn't know that sensor down there. I thought it was the same unit.
No, the parking sensor.
Yeah, because it parks itself.
Yeah, that's right. It's the park sensor. The ones on the back are reversing sensors.
Okay.
And this one here is our BCM.
The BCM.
Blind spot monitor.
Blind spot monitor. We learn something every day, guys. Anyway, stay tuned for an update. Maybe tomorrow. Bye. So I'm back at Redlion Smash repairs on Davies Road, Padstow, and Craig is doing me a great favour. I've got all the sensors and the BLM started playing up with the lane change and everything else. All the alarms are coming up. Just popped in here and we thought it might have been something major. Hopefully it's just the control module, and looks like it's popped off one side. So if they work on, it has to be located 45 degrees, I think, like a compass. You sort of got to have its bearings, I think. And just down here, look at all the dirt from the Industrial Road, guys. So Craig's just having a look at that now. Maybe it's got some glue or something here. We can just give it a patcho job or something. Have to get it recalibrated. So I still have to get it recalibrated, Craig? Or might come good?
We can get it at 45 degrees.
Yeah, see that, guys? So make sure you come down here. Been established in 1946. And Craig's been here for quite a few years. He's the owner and the boss. So get yourself down here. So this is part 2 of the video, and one day we'll do an interview maybe with Craig. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video for Classic Cars Australia and On The Road Australia. Hooroo! So Craig's just putting a polyurethane on there. Same grade as, like a marine grade actually. Use on windscreens. Hopefully, might hold overnight. Might go off. We'll see. It should be right. Doing a great job here. Redlion.
Yeah, we come right through the holes too. Yeah.
I can see the expense in those units now. Anyway, guys, that's it till tomorrow. Bye.